Hi, it's Sheree, or Health Mentor, and if you've been procrastinating on getting your dental exam, you know you've been wanting to get your teeth checked, but maybe you don't know what your options are when it comes to whether or not you have insurance or what you can do. Well, you can go to this Properly e-commerce website and get a dental examination and cleaning at an amazing discount. This is a great deal. It's better than nothing because I recently went to the dentist, and if I did not have dental insurance, simply for a dental exam, x-rays, and cleaning, it would have cost me $220. But this deal is even better. It's a one-time offer for in office, for the particular office that you choose. So let's check it out. This is on Groupon.com. Go to www.groupon.com and you just type in your zip code, find a dental office in your area, and you type in dental exam. And usually the Groupons offer the cleaning and exam and x-ray. So as you see, the deals are reasonable price. $60.50 is great. And these costs here are what it will be out of pocket. And as you see, they even have whitening options. But before you do all that, you want to always get your checkup and cleaning. You don't want to whiten teeth over dirty teeth, right? So let's check out this deal here. It's $60.50 for exam, x-ray, and cleaning. And you just purchase the Groupon. You can even check and see which office got good ratings, and you just decide which one you want to choose, right? Now, when it comes to the cleaning, I want to specify if you have lost bone around your teeth, you will not be able to get that regular cleaning that's offered with this price. You have to pay an additional cost to get the scaling your root cleaning, aka deep cleaning, because that's when you have something going on, disease in your mouth, that requires treatment. It's no longer a preventive service. So $60.50. I want to point out that it's good for 120 days, so read the fine print. So you buy it, you print it out, you definitely have to call the office, make your appointment, take off of work if you have to, take off of work. Do not feel bad for taking off work to take care of yourself. Make that appointment, go get it done. I'll just try your best. And there's another option that I'll discuss later in another video about what you can do, where you can go to get some services done at a cheaper cost if it's available in your area. So check out that. Stay tuned for that. And I just hope this helps, shop around. No longer, no more procrastinating. You want to get it done, because once you lose your teeth and it can affect your quality of life, just imagine like you missing a tooth here, you have to smile differently, you have to be conscious of how you chew, and you gotta just change certain things that you normally don't think about. You have to adjust that if you were to have problems with your teeth. You walk around with a toothache, that's no fun. You want to catch things early, so get that exam, start taking care of your oral health, and take action. Stay encouraged. So until next time, take care, get that dental exam, get your cleaning, and whatever else you need done. If you can get it done, get it done. Take action. I'll see you later.